Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Yes, it is Thursday and I have a bonus video for you because I have a friend who wanted a little, because Barbie is so big right now, it's all the talk. She wanted some little Barbie party favors, and so this is the little Barbie a party favor I made for her. Now she wanted the bow here. You can put this bow anywhere, like over here, but she wanted the bow on the handle. I asked her which way she preferred it, and isn't it so cute? Now this is a SVG and I used it for my brother's scan and cut, and I'll try to link that in the description if you want to know where I got it from, the website where I got it from, but they're all over. You can get them all over, the SVGs for this. So this is what I'm going to share today. I hope you enjoy it. I thought it'd be super fun because Barbie is all the rage right now. So let's go ahead and make it. It's really quick and easy. I love this. I've never made a scalloped one. I couldn't figure out how I was going to do it, but it worked perfectly for this. So I'm going to show you that. And I am using this die, and it is from the Give It a Whirl. I told you this Give It a Whirl was such a good one, and this is the die that I'm using for this. So what you're going to need for this is a piece of, I am using Melon Mambo, and then I'm going to use the Designer Series paper, Our Glorious Gingham, which is this one right here. And this is actually Berry Burst, this gingham, but it went really cute with this. And when I saw the Barbie dress on one of the commercials, I said, that matches her dress perfectly. So that's why I decided to use this. So this piece is 7 by 5. You need 2 to mat it, which are 2 7/8 by 2 3/4. And I already cut out the little dies. But we're going to need, I'm going to show you how I cut this into the box when we get to that point. Okay, so let's get started with this. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to score this piece. So it's really easy scoring. It's on the 7-inch side, you're going to score it at 3 and 4. And then on the 5-inch side, you are going to score it at 1 and 4. So super easy box. These are really quick and easy to make. So if you have a little party for your grandkids or your kids, this is an easy one to do. So we are going to cut the sides here. I'm going to cut into those just so they go into the box a little bit easier. And then this side as well. I honestly didn't know that Barbie would be so popular again, but apparently she is. So we are going to sharpen these score marks. And then I'm going to mat these. So I'm going to get my matting here. I'm going to use wet glue. You can use this side too, but I love the gingham because, like I said, when I saw it, it looked, the dress she had on was this gingham, and it was this pink color. So we're going to mat that, and we're going to mat this side. I'll have an inspiration sheet up on my blog at stampingwithamore.com, and you can check that out, get the measurements for all of this, so you don't have to write them all down. All right, let me grab my die here, and I'm going to get the cut and emboss, and I'm going to show you how that we're going to do this. Okay, so we are going to line this up, and how I did it when I did it, make sure that it's even both sides on here. And I actually counted 13 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then I just put my tape on there. I just had 13 above the edge of this. You can do it however you want. It doesn't really matter how many you do, but I want them even on both sides, so that's why I counted them, because I want the handles to be even. So whatever you do on one side, you need to do on the other. All right, so let's flip it over. And again, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And again, make sure it's even on both sides. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it pretty even. And then we're going to run this one through. I'll just go this way. All right, so we have our two little parts right here. I'm going to go ahead and move this out of the way, and I'll show you how we put it together. All right, so for this, we're going to go ahead and put it together first before we put our handles on here. So I'm going to use a wet glue again, because that is what I have out here. Use something strong so it doesn't fall apart when they grab the handles when it's filled with some kind of goodie. I would just find anything that like has like the pink in it, or I don't know, they may have Barbie candy out there, who knows. It's such a rave right now. All right, so now we're going to take our handles, and what you're going to do, you need to be very careful on this part, and you're just going to put it right on the edge. That's why I like the wet glue. You need to use wet glue. Right on the edge of your scallop here. And I was shocked how well this held, because I've never done it this way before. And then you're just going to line this up inside those scallops like that. And I actually hold it inside here for a minute, because you know glue takes a second to dry. Then I'm going to just flip it over, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Just make sure you get all the edges of your scallop. If you're doing a circle, plain circle, you can do that. I love this little scallop. It just made it a little bit more feminine. And then we're going to do this one too. Make sure it fits right in those little grooves. And it's all in all. I just wipe away the excess glue if it leaks through. Oops. My fingers are sticky and it grabbed onto that. That's why I like the Barely Art glue. That's another reason. Alright, so this is on as well. If you have any glue on the inside, I just use my finger and wipe that away, which, oh my goodness. You can tell too if you have this on exactly right from this side. Okay, there you go. I got it all on there, perfectly on there now. Isn't it cute though? All right, so now I already put together my little Barbie. I did the background in black because I wanted this to stand out, and then the white, but you can use the Melon Mambo as well. But we're going to just stick that on here. You can even, I got an idea, I just thought about this. You can even use the little girls' names and use this. Just do the letters. It would be a lot more involved because you would have to do every little girl's name that's going to be there. But anyway, that would be a little bit more difficult. And this is super quick and easy, just using Barbie. And I'm going to put a couple pearls just to dress it up. All right, and then what I used for the ribbon, I just used my Blushing Bride ribbon here, and I'm going to color it because you can color this with your blends, and I am going to just use it. I'm going to get this all messed up, my mat here, but that's okay, and just color the ribbon until you get it the size. that you want. And of course I'm using, I think Melon Mambo. Yeah, I'm using dark Melon Mambo on this so it matches. And you can go as dark, you can go over this a couple times, or you can just go over it once. It covers really, really nicely. And then I'll do this side too. If you have white, whatever color ribbon you have, I'm using this one because it's pink and it, even if it showed through a little bit on that side, it wouldn't be terrible. So let me see if I have enough to make a bow. I think I do. I'm going to just go ahead and cut it so I can make a bow. This dries really fast too, the blends on the ribbon. And just make this bow here. And I'm not going to make a huge bow. And you can put this wherever you like. I originally was going to put it, I gave her a couple choices to put it either like here, or up on the handle, and she liked it better on the handle. So I'm going to use a glue dot, and we're going to add that with the glue dot right there. Whoops, I missed the glue dot. There we go. And we're going to put it right there. So that's it. Super easy and really quick. And I thought I'd share it with you because I know you like the extra bonuses every once in a while. So you can squish these ends. On this one I did. I just took the ends and squished them so it looks more like a little purse. So you can squish these inside here and make it look more like a little purse. But there you have it, a little Barbie party favor. I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget, if you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at stampingwithamore.com. Have a blessed one, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.